Jai Sri Gurudev. Good morning, children. In previous class, I had taught you Unit 13, the poem A Mouse in the Moon. And I sent the question answer exercises to you related to that poem. Today, I am going to teach you Unit 14, the story The Adventures of Tenali Raman. So, children, let's get started the story in your textbook, page number 100. Open the page number 100 in your textbook. Take pencil and underline the new words what I underlined in that video. Okay? So, let's get started. The story name is The Adventures of Tenali Raman. Children, Tenali Raman was a famous character in Krishna Deva Raya's, the king of Vijayanagar, in his courtiers. Many stories are there. I hope you have learned so many stories and moral stories also. So this is one of the story in this lesson. So let's get started the story. Krishna Deva Raya was the king of Vijayanagara in the 16th century. Tenali Raman was one of his courtiers. He was a clever, witty and intelligent man. He helped the king on many occasions. There are many stories that shows Raman's cleverness. Here is one of them. So there are different characters, children. Characters courtier 1, courtier 2, King Krishna Deva Raya, Tenali Raman, the Sadhu, villager 1, villager 2. So, 7 characters are there. This is one type of drama. Scene 1, Krishna Deva Raya's court. Court means in Sabha, that one, where he was ruling whatever he was telling about the minister or everyone, that place. Courtier 1, the king is here. The king enters the court with the usual ceremony and trumpets playing. How the king was coming to the court? When they will make the trumpet or sound, the courtiers 1 and 2 and Tenali Raman, greetings your majesty, they will wish to the king. Krishna Deva Raya looking around, greetings, where are my other ministers? Courtier 2, your majesty, they have gone to meet the miracle sadhu who has come to our kingdom. So when the Krishna Deva Raya king was entered in the ministry, that courtier, he was asking where my others ministers. So courtier 2, courtier means those who are staying and living or join with the kings, the Sabha, they are called courtier. Okay. Krishna Deva Raya. They went to meet a sadhu, miracle sadhu. Sadhu means saint, sage. Came to the village in kingdom. So they went to meet the sadhu. So children, next page 101. Krishna Deva Raya, surprised. Who is this sadhu? I have not heard him. Turns to Raman. Raman, do you know about him? So Krishna Deva Raya was surprisedly asking, who was Sadhu? I didn't heard about him. He was turned to the Raman, Krishna means Tenali Raman, do you know about him? Krishna Deva Raya was asking to the Telani, do you know about him anything? Raman, amused. I heard some people talking about this Sadhu. It seems he has come from the Himalayas and can perform miracles. Now Tenali Raman are telling he was a sadhu. I heard just one. I heard from people, village people. Maybe he came from Himalayas and he was showing very miracles. Means unknown things, unknown happen. What will be happen? He can show the perform to others. Means village people. Courtier 1. Yes, your majesty. People offered him fruits, vegetables and clothes along with gold and silver coins. So courtier one of them was telling, "Yes, Majesty means to respect to the king." Village people are offered fruits, vegetables, clothes, and so gold and silver coins to him. Courtier 2. He performs elaborate pujas and heals diseases if we pay him well. Another one courtier telling, if we pay well means give some more things to the sadhu, he can give some pujas for elaborate pujas and he heals diseases. Whatever unknown means which one is not impossible for us, he was treating for about that one if we pay to him well. Krishna Deva Raya, thoughtfully means thought thinking mood. The court is dismissed. We will meet again next week. The courtier and Raman turned to go, but the king stopped Raman. Raman, please wait. I think this sadhu is fooling our people and cheating them. Just that time only Krishna Deva Raya stopped the court, means Shava, whatever they are doing the work, they stopped and they told tomorrow will be continue our next meeting. Today stop here only. So Raman and other courtiers are moved to turn go to home. In that time only Krishna Deva Raya was telling Raman, wait, I think this sadhu is fooling our people. Now the Krishna Deva Raya is telling maybe that sadhu is cheating or fooling, making stupid our people. Let's have to see that one. Next, turn the page, children. Page number 102, Raman. Yes, Your Majesty, I think so too. I think he is acting like a sadhu and looking our people's money. Do not worry about Your Majesty. I will pay this sadhu a visit and show his true nature to the people. Krishna Deva Raya. Thank you, Raman. Now Raman telling, yes, Majesty, he was also agreed that one. Whatever the king was telling, the sadhu was cheating and making fooling our village people. But Raman telling, I also understood that one and don't worry about that matter. I will nicely treat him what to do and in front of the village people only. So Krishna Deva Raya telling thank you to Raman. Next, children, scene 2. This is scene 1. Next, scene 2. The village. Raman goes to the village the next day to find a crowd of people standing around the sadhu. The sadhu is wearing saffron clothes and long hair and a long bushy beard. Raman moves towards the crowd. Villager 1. Your Holiness, I have bought you a sack of rice. Please accept this and tell me whatever I will become rich soon. Sadhu, my child, look at the sack greedily. My child, you have pleased the Lord. You must perform a puja and you will definitely become rich. Villager 1. I will do whatever you say, Your Holiness. Sadhu, but to perform it, you must pay me 2 gold coins. Yes, 2 gold coins. Villager 1. Of course, Your Holiness. So what happens, children? Here, the village people are getting cheated by the sadhu. How? Now Raman came to the village and some crowd people are standing around the sadhu. Sadhu, how it looks? He looks like he wearing a saffron cloth and long hair and long beard. Beard also means mustache like that only. How looks sadhu? Like that. Raman's going towards the crowd. Raman also in front of the crowd. He was moving. After he was observing, one villager was telling to the sadhu, he brought full sack of rice for him. Please accept my rice and tell me when I become rich. Sadhu was looking the sack greedily. Greedy means ashe like that only. My child, you have to please the God. Lord means definitely you have to do one puja. definitely afterward you can become rich. When you do the puja, villagers are accepted and ready to do the puja. But to perform the puja, you have to give me 2 gold coins. For that matter, the villagers have to give the 2 gold coins to the sadhu. 2 gold coins. Again he repeated, 2 gold coins. The villager were ready, was accepted the demand whatever sadhu telling, 2 gold coins. Next children, turn the page number 103. Raman watches as the sadhu takes 2 gold coins from the foolish villager and says some mantras. He decided to teach the greedy sadhu a lesson. Raman, your holiness, I am filled with devotion at your greatness. Sadhu, thank you, my child. What do you want me to do for you? I can perform any miracle that you want. I can do this puja and make you live long. As the sadhu continues to speak, then Raman suddenly jumps forward and plucks out a hair from the sadhu's beard. Sadhu, in pain, why did you do that? Raman, holding up the hair proudly, I am very happy that I have this hair now. This is the key to heaven. It can be plucked from the sadhu's beard as he is such a holy man. Villager 1, your holiness, I would also like a key to heaven. Saying this, he too plucks a hair from the sadhu's beard. The sadhu cries out in pain. Villager 2, one for me too, your holiness. Another hair he plucked from the sadhu's beard. Now what happened, children? Started to the jokes one by one. What happened? Now Raman watches the sadhu. He was taking the foolish villager, giving the 2 gold coins to him, and he was telling some mantra about the villagers. After that, what happened? The greedy sadhu, after give some lesson, he was planning. Raman what done? Again he came to nearby the sadhu and telling, I am filled with your devotion at your greatness. He was very happy to his devotion. Devotion means bhakti. Sadhu was telling, thank you, my child. What I can do for you? And can I show any miracle to you? You can do any puja. I can make you live long. You can live long. You will not die. You can last long if you do any puja for me. As the sadhu continues to speak, suddenly Raman, what did? He jumped forward the sadhu and plucked a hair from bird. Bird means mustache hair is there, no? He was plucking, means taking that one from the sadhu. Sadhu get pain. If you touch the hair, you will get pain, no? Suddenly was plucking the bird hair means, what did you do that one? He was getting pain and telling. Raman telling, holding up the hair, holding the hair and telling, I am very happy to see I can go now. I am getting the key to go to heaven. If I be plucked from your sadhu's bird as he is a holy man, it can be plucked from the sadhu's bird as he is such a holy man. But now he is telling, I heard that one, if I take any sadhu's hair, pluck hair, I can, who was the holy man, means sect people in our world, I can go to the heaven. Villagers 1, your holiness, another villager telling, I also want a key. Key means one hair. He also pluck one hair. Again, one by one, the villagers started to take plucking the hair from the sadhu's beard. And sadhu was getting the pain. Continue plucking that hair means it will get painless suddenly. Black hair he was plucking. Next, children, turn the page number 104. Sadhu, in great pain, oh my God, what is this? What are all of you doing to me? Raman, trying hard to hide this laughter. My Lord, please do not prevent your devotees from taking the keys to heaven from you. Everyone started reaching towards the sadhu's beard to try and pluck more keys. The sadhu has had enough. Sadhu panicking, "Oh my God, I'm going away from here." Saying this, he drops all his things and begins to run. Some people chase him but soon give up as they realize he is a fraud. The greedy sadhu runs away and is never heard of again. Raman, I hope that now all of you realize the miracle sadhu was only trying to cheat everyone. Looking at the villagers, all of us can become rich if we work sincerely and hard. Villagers, we feel ashamed to have believed such a fraud. Raman returns to the palace to tell the kings how he exposed the fake sadhu. So what happened, children? Now sadhu, one by one, all people are coming to pluck the hairs from him, and he was getting pain. Raman now telling don't stop to them, my lord. You are our devotees taking keys heaven to go to heaven. Why you stop to them? But he was getting panicking and, oh my God, I will go away. He was run. He throw everything, whatever he taken from the villagers, and he left there and he ran away. Some village people also run chasing to the sadhu and ran away with him. After that, Raman was telling to the village people, now you understand what miracle sadhu was doing with you. He was cheating to you. He doesn't know anything, and you should do the work, hard work sincerely. You can become a rich person. No need to please or happy to the sadhu or this type of people to make you happy. They will not make you happy. You can do your work sincerely, means you can get happy. Okay? So the village people are getting ashamed and they understand he is fraud. Raman again came to the king in the court and he explained what happened with the fake sadhu. Okay, children? So this is the story of the Telani Raman Intelligency. Now you have to learn the new words 101 and 105 carefully, children. I hope you all can understand the story. Bye, children.